discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Wow. Nice. So can you tell me your name real quick and what's in here, man?
I'm Austin Boone, got 3 G2 Genesis 15s on 2 cab 4500s, split coils, and then I got 4 Def Bunch Neo 6.5s on a McLaren 1200.4, Cyber 12K, and 2 alternators under the hood.
What size alts?
1 stock and 1 390.
Okay. Who built the box?
I did.
Very nice. I like it, man.
Yeah, me and my buddy.
Have you done any kind of tuning on it or testing yet?
Literally, I built it and built it like a week before a show. I had local, and I did a 55 straight out of the gate on 4,000 watts.
You happy with it?
Oh yeah.
And you got your back seats and you showcase it. I like it.
I did have Sundown X's in there, but I took them out and put these in here.
Well, how thick is your plexi in the back?
3/4.
3/4?
Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it.
All this strip club anthem, nigga, what's up?
Your money.
Yeah. Me and my will pull the AOD back to back. Them AMG 63s. I tell all my hoes, rake it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, I tell break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up, break it up, break it up. I made love to it. First I had to tip her $20,000. She said I'm that nigga. I said I'm that bitch. I already know it. I come a bad weather. They say I'm a storm. VVS is in my trunk. That's a Rockefeller chain. I was singing break the home, baby James. Dang, I'm in for lead child. I got to take on. You gotta dump the women. She picked up the shit on. She gon' put up. She ain't make it better. She gon' break up. She said break up. Yeah, we break it. My whole break it up. Break it down. Bag it up. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. Bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. Break it up, break it up, break it up, break it up. Bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. I tell them, break it up, break it down. Bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up.
Put out the big Lamborghini, just a race with China. With a race to China, just a race in China. Bad Trini bitch, but she mixed with China. For China, bricks to China. I tell all my niggas, cut the check, bust it down, throw your goofy down. I'm still funny, it's the kind of bitch, I'm gon' get tired. I'm a bust it open, I'm dead, honey, cookie on tsunami. All my niggas wifey, cause they get that good punani. I think he needs the money, I might just let him find me. Never trust a big like in the smile with the Ronnie. Rep queen, like some pain ass rep. And that ass been paying job. Make a run to my dog. This game is real, feel like you're waiting to call. Name is Mickey, but my name ain't Nicole.
I tell my hoes, break it up.
Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up.
I'm a bust it open. I don't date honey. Cookie on tsunami. All I need is wifey. They get that good punani. I think he needs the money. I might just let him find me. Never trust a big butt and the smile or the Ronnie. Rip queen like some green ass. And then you ass and me and John. Like the running my down. This game is freezing like it wait.
Break it down. Baby.
Good bandwidth. I like how you showed me all three stages. So you have the windows up, windows down, half windows up, and you can see the bandwidth.
Yeah, it plays good.
Nice. And you got your back seats to play 4 people at once.
Yes,
I appreciate the demo, man. What was your name?
Austin.
Austin. Thanks, Austin, man.
Thank you,
Appreciate
bro.
the demo, man.
Yep.